The current Volkswagen Beetle will be the remnant of a dying breed for some time. VW restored the people's car in 1997, at that point presented a moment age in 2011, however VW's head of R&D, Frank Welsch, told Autocar at the Geneva Motor Show that a few ages is sufficient at this point. With VW having rotated to hybrids and electric vehicles, Welsch said the T-Roc Convertible will supplant the Beetle, Golf, and Eos Cabriolets, and the ID Buzz, in view of the Microbus, will fill in as the legacy enlivened electric model. The VW Group gets ready for its Electric Just MEB stage to help up to 15 electric vehicles crosswise over group brands, 5 of those offerings to originate from VW. Volkswagen alone, however, plans to acquaint up with 30 electric vehicles throughout the following 10 years, and an electric Beetle was one of the potential contender for an enthusiastic idea. Last November, Chairman Herbert Diess revealed to Autocar that a battery-controlled Beetle would be greatly improved than the present model, substantially nearer to history, since it could be race-wheel drive. A back-mounted EV powertrain would open up lodge space and leave a lot of space for the trademark frunk. The VW board voted keep going November on which EVs to give the generation gesture. It shows up the Beetle didn't make it. Client eagerness likely had an impact, as well, following 20 years of Beetle wistfulness that is surrounding outline and deals deadlocks. Welsch stated, individuals asked when creation begins on the ID Buzz, so we chose to go that way. Preferable to have that over having 5 ages of another Beetle. While an EV Beetle could have been an inventive advancement, running with the ID Buzz gives VW a considerably more extensive extent of potential outcomes. Given a gainful client gathering, extended ID Buzz offerings could incorporate a camper and the quiets down and take my cash. Synchro Doka pickup. Think about us in support.